E34 540i. So I've always wondered, can you delete the stupid, in my opinion, rear facing towards the firewall, just like the 535 E34 and the E32s. Can you delete this? Is my question. Because I hate every time I would pour coolant, it would end up falling back here, everywhere, here. And it's just a stupid design in my opinion. So I thought, can you delete this? And you can. The E31 has the same M60 engine, some late E38s, the 740i, the 95 740i for a fact has the same system, same M60, same everything. This is gonna be a dream to fucking work on now, the back, especially now that I switched the Torx to regular hex. But long story short is you get the hose from that E38 740i, 740i or the 840ci or the 840i, and you remove this. It's two plastic tins that go here, one there, one on the opposite side over there, right there, and you could remove it. I don't know what sensor is going to pop up here, but I don't mind it. I'm pretty sure there's some way to bypass it. It's right here. And then the radiator's out, but and then you want to get yourself and remove the, if you're doing the water pump, might as well delete it if you're interested in that. If not, whatever, it's okay. But this is the water pump you'll need to get in order to do this DIY. It has a third hole. This is off the 740i, and this is the stock regular E34 540i one. It does not have the hole that I'm mentioning here, which is here. There is zero hole. Oh, there it would be right here, but it's not there. So that's how you delete it. And I pretty much snapped this. I don't know if this is in the right configuration, but I snapped it while trying to do the belt change for the serpentine belt. That's the old one. And I was looking at it and I figured, while I'm here, I might as well change out this broken piece, change out the water pump. And yeah, so I looked into it. I did a deep dive, didn't see any forms on it. But just like everything else in these BMWs, everything should be plug and play. Looks a mess. Radiators over here. And this is the poor man radiator. It's for the 535i.